Hi, my name is Kaysi from Kaysi Financial Planning, and I am currently in Jamaica, the beautiful island of Jamaica. I'm in St. Anne, and this morning I wanted to share with you how you can use points for travel. So when I wanted to get a few days away from where I was actually staying, I looked at my points to see what I could afford to do, and I had enough points to book this place for free. Well, technically not free because I paid for it in some form or the other. So I wanted to share with you how you can use credit cards to have benefits, right? But again, this is only when you are at the point of being fiscally wise and making sure that you're not carrying a credit card balance and you're able to use your credit card and pay it off so that you can get the benefits that are available. There are many different types of credit cards that are on the market, right? So it's finding one that suits your needs. So for me, travel is very, very important. If you've ever heard me talk about anything, I've always mentioned that one of the values that I have is being able to take vacations at different times throughout the year. So I'm able to use points that I have accumulated from buying stuff that I would ordinarily buy anyway, and then get the benefits. So when they've accumulated to a certain number of points, I can use it for different things. So this trip, I decided to use it for a couple nights at a resort. As you can see, it's absolutely spectacular here. So again, there are different types of credit cards that you can use, and mine is being able to use it for travel points. I will only use my points for travel, but you can use for whatever is important to you, whether it's cash back so that you can buy stuff and then get the benefit of it. There are some credit cards that will actually charge you an annual fee to have the credit card. So you have to choose whether you're willing to pay that fee in order to get the benefits. But the key is to make sure that the benefits that you're getting are far outweighing the cost that you're going to pay to get it. So with the card that I have, I get priority pass, so I can use different lounges around the world, or I'll get the benefits of being able to get a global traveler. So when I enter the US, I don't have to go through the customs and immigration lines. I can just kind of walk through because I've done the pre-screening. And the credit cards offers credits towards those things as well, over I think every 5 years or so. So again, it's very important for you to understand what you're trying to accomplish. And for me, it's being able to travel and have the benefit of using my points to pay for some of those expenses. So if you're ever wondering, how you're able to do that, that's one way to do that. So again, today, my name is Kaysian from Kaysi Financial Planning, just sharing a little bit of a tidbit as to how I'm able to take multiple vacations while not taking all the money out of my pocket all at once. And I want to say a special shout out today for my friend Lena, whom I met just yesterday, who is recording this video with me. So thank you, and I hope to share more with you soon. Thanks, bye.